Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the ornaments on the steering wheel. This one and these two as well. All you have to do is get a T20 Torx bit like this one, and they have a hole underneath here with a screw. One here as well and one here as well. I'm gonna have to go a bit blind. To get one out. It's a T20 screw. You probably need to pry it out a bit now. I'm gonna get one of these and try to get it out. So this is how it looks on the back. So this one as well, I'm gonna have to take it out. Here on this one, be careful with the steering wheel control. You have to press on this tab here to get the steering wheel control wiring, and probably to replace the wheel if it's worn like mine. You have to unscrew these two screws here and put the new one back in. Okay, so I hope this helps, and see you on the next one.